Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you can't see the Call of Duty Mobile on your Google Play Store. So in order to do that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. And as you can see, if I type in Call of Duty, I can't see the proper game right here. Now, to fix that, we'll need to press on the avatar icon right here. Then go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls, click on it. Now disable this right here, but you will need to know the PIN. So I know mine, so I'm just gonna type it in and press OK. Now if we go back to our main page of the store, we can search for Call of Duty again, and it will be visible and able to install right now. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.